As you click off, here's the smoke detector. And over here's the fire alarm. Yeah, it's cool, right? Spectral Classic. Yes, bathroom, we have the ESC Genesis strobe only, like it always is.
What's he doing?
Same pull station, same keys for the pull station.
What they do?
For voice evacuation. Alright, let's get started. Let's activate the pull station. Ouch.
I can't see him. Huh?
I'm just gonna
What
leave
they
it
do?
here.
What they do?
Alright, I'm just gonna be. You guys can check it out. I'm just gonna wait right here. May I have your attention, please? A fire has been reported in a building. Please proceed to the stairs and exit the building. Do not use the elevators. Use stairwells as necessary. Evacuate the building. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and reset the position. Fire. I don't know what the brand is by. You want to see the model? Go check out other videos of this. Alright, here it is. Here's what inside. Alex, and right there. That's right, and here's the module right here. And that's the thing right there connected to the module. And that's it. Alright. Close the position up.